Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can capture a screen recording on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications and swipe down once again and find the screen recording toggle, which for me it is right over here. Now if you don't see it, you can tap on this little pencil, and this will show you also toggles that are turned off below here, which you can then grab it. One of them, it lifts up a little bit and drag it to the top, and once you drop it, it will get added. From there, I'm gonna press on it, allow whatever it needs. It gives us this quick little options right here for recording audio, so we can select to record microphone, device audio, both or none. Select whatever you want. Then show touches. This will show on a recording a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. We have touches, touch tracks, which that is actually a new one. I haven't actually ever seen that before. And both. I'm gonna select both just so we can see how that looks like in general. I'm kind of curious. From there, we're gonna select start. This will then begin recording. It gives us an info that there's no audio being recorded, and gives us this overlay right here, which you can move. It won't be visible on the recording though. So you can kind of see how the tracks look like. It just looks like you're drawing on a screen. Unfortunately, we don't have Netflix, as I wanted to showcase something. So anyway, I'm just gonna stop the recording. Now typically whatever you will open will be recorded. But there is a caveat. That's why I wanted to open up Netflix, because Netflix is one of those applications that just straight up blocks your screen recording. So if you try to record Netflix, all you will be presented with once you're rewatching this recorded footage is a straight up black screen. And there's nothing you can do about it. It's a feature that is designed for security purposes. Those security purposes were designed for you, not really the giga corporations that are utilizing it, but hell, we live in this world and we don't have any control over that. So once you encounter some shitty application like Netflix that basically utilizes this, just know that you can't really do anything about it. And I'm pointing that out because there are applications that have zero effing business using that. They have no passwords, nothing that could be related to security risk to you, yet they still use this, and you have no option of changing it. But in any case, once your screen recording is captured, you can open up your photos, and by default, if you're in the photos, you want to navigate to library, and then in here you'll find a screen recording album, and in this album you'll find all the recordings that you have captured over the time. So here is the one that I've just captured, and you can also see the traces from when I was sliding. So you see the dot and then the trace, which might be very not the greatest kind of implementation if you, for instance, trying to record screen or gameplays. So for gameplays, this might be very distracting. The dot itself is already distracting, and having a trace after it would be just even more annoying. But in any case, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.